Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a collage edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to text first, and I'm just going to type in the word love, and I'm also going to make the frame ratio 1:1. I'm also going to select like a different font for each and every like letter. For instance this, and I'm also going to add a background, and I'm also going to change the colors for it. I mean, just adjust the height and width. You can obviously type in whatever you want and make any theme that you want as well. But I am just going with what I have in mind right now. You can also change the color of the text inside if you wanted to. So I'm just doing that real quick. Again, I'm just trying to find like a fun font for each letter. Sorry, I don't know why that like lagged a little bit. And we have E after this. Whoops. Just gonna make the E like small, because why not? And I'm just going to adjust the height. Whoops. Something like that. And I'm just going to move them so they're kind of in the middle. I'm also going to add in like a cute background. Maybe like hearts actually. Preferably like an image. This one's like an image. Okay, I guess we'll go with that. Okay, then you're going to go to stickers, and you're going to just find like stickers that are related to your words, and you're just going to randomly add them everywhere. So like this, for instance, I'm just going to add it on top of here. I'm actually just going to also add blur to the image underneath. Okay, that is super bright. I don't know if you can see that colored sticker. For instance, like this one, and just keep like adding some stickers that are again related to whatever you have right now. I'm just going to pause, and I'll be right back once I have kind of completed it. So be right back. And we're back, and I'm done. Took me quite a long time, but anyways, you're then going to go to effects, and you're going to go to texture, and you're going to add in a few of these like false textures, or print ones. You can add in any kind that you want, but I just like to add these. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!